If you want to quit your job next year, you can do that. And I'm going to show you 5 things you can do right now so that you can quit your job in 2025. So welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to build a social media audience, but also make money online. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can quit your job in 2025. Even though I wrote a book called Before You Quit Your Job, we're not going to talk about that today. We're specifically going to talk about 5 things you can do starting right now that will allow you to be able to quit your job in 2025. Now, I will say this. It is really, really, really important to understand that you're going to have to start doing this right now, and you're going to have to be consistent this year and next year so that you can quit your job. I don't want you quitting your job January 1st. Okay. Let me just start there. But this is a process of making sure that by the end of 2025, that you are full-time, not at your job, but doing something that you love and are passionate about. And I want to tell you those 5 things. So obviously I've written them down. I got a little list here, and none of them are in any particular order, but I'm going to read them to you. But we're going to do the first one. So first thing you can do is create an online business, okay? Creating an online business. Now, an online business is what you want to create it as, right? For example, I have an online business. I'm a consultant where I teach businesses how to use social media to sell products and services. And one of the ways that I get paid is that I coach people, I consult people, I teach them what to do. I also have digital courses where people can actually watch videos of me teaching what to do, and they are able to engage with that as they want to, okay? I also have standalone products that people can buy at any time, but then I also get paid as a public speaker, so on and so on. So you can become a consultant at what you know, right? Because here's the deal. If you have a job and your job is paying you to consult people or whatever it is your job is, then I guarantee you that there's going to be people that you probably can help on your own when you start an online business as a consultant teaching them, and you probably can get paid more. You just have to learn how to market yourself to get those particular clients. But I also have seen people that are selling other people's products, right? So like they're an affiliate marketer, they're promoting people's products through that way. Or for the most part, I've seen people on Etsy that have created digital downloads, like templates, and they have them listed there on Etsy, and then they are creating content driving traffic to that particular digital download or template over on Etsy, and they are making a significant amount of money from those digital downloads. So you get to decide what aspect of an online business that you want to actually create. It is literally your decision. You don't have to do anything of what everybody is doing, but you want to decide that you want to start an online business, what it's going to be. Start it now, learn the ins and outs of the things, and be consistent, and you'll be amazed at what can happen in 6 months. The second thing that you can do to quit your job in 2025 is become a TikTok Shop affiliate. Now, listen, people are making a significant amount of money on a regular basis, all because of TikTok Shop, okay? Now, what does that mean? What that means is this, that let's just say I sell these like makeup bags, right? Well, I can have my makeup bag as a makeup bag owner on TikTok Shop. And I can tell TikTok that every time an influencer markets this product and sells it, I will pay them $1, $2, whatever the amount is, okay? So then me as the influencer, I can say, okay, I want to promote these bags. And then now I'm going to create content promoting the bags. I can utilize TikTok Live to be able to promote those bags, which is a game changer. Hands down, TikTok Live is a game changer, okay? And you can make a significant amount of money with, let's just say, these 30 products that you're going to promote for the month of October or whatever month you want to do. And that is number one. That's what you have focused on for the month of promoting those particular products. People are making sometimes $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 in a month promoting certain products from TikTok Shop. So just recently, earlier today, I actually got 2 products I ordered from TikTok Shop. They'll be to me next week, and then I will create reviews or promotional videos talking about these particular products over on TikTok Shop. And you literally, if you start right now growing your audience on TikTok, getting yourself to your 2,000 followers, you can become a TikTok Shop affiliate and start promoting products, making money immediately. And then guess what? Come 2025, middle of 2025, you no longer have a full-time job. The third thing you could be doing to make money or quit your job in 2025 is grow an AI faceless channel. I know it sounds crazy. Grow an AI faceless channel. Now, here's the deal. Listen, oftentimes I am on TikTok and I will see TV shows or whatever. And while I am doing what I'm doing, getting dressed for the day, doing my makeup, whatever, and I'm watching these shows, well, I never really think about who is the person on the other side of that channel. I never think about it. I just think about the content that I want to watch, right? And I'm watching this content. Well, because that content is at least a minute long, TikTok is paying per views. Okay. So then if you have this AI faceless channel where you've got content that's being put out there on a regular basis and it's over 1 minute long, you're going to getting paid day after day, month after month on TikTok from content that you're not even appearing in. You've just learned how to create content using AI with a faceless channel. Now, I know it sounds crazy, but I want you to go here on YouTube and I want you to search how to create an AI faceless channel. There's people teaching you exactly what it is you need to do to have success with a faceless channel. I'm telling you, people are making a significant amount of money and they're never showing their faces in any of the content. The fourth thing you can do to quit your job in 2025 is become a UGC content creator. Now, this is if you actually want to show up in content and you know how to edit and you're creative. Listen, you can become a UGC content creator. You can put yourself in different databases and market yourself over on the TikTok platform and let brands know that you are a UGC content creator. And what's going to happen is that you are going to start having brands reach out to you wanting to pay you $100, $200, $300, $500, however much money to create content. Now, I have friends that get paid $1,500 a month, and then their job is to create, I think, 5 or 6 videos per month for the brand. And they create it, they edit it, they give it to the brand, and that's it. And they do this with multiple brands. So 10 different brands, all in different industries, are using their face, and all they're doing is filming the content, editing the content, and then giving it to the brand, and they're making money over and over and over again. Now, the average person with a job is working about 40 hours a week. Well, typically a content creator is not working 40 hours. Even if you're producing, let's just say 5 videos a month for 10 different brands, that's 50 videos. Most content creators can do that within a week. Probably sooner than that, especially if they have the product, they know how to film, know how to edit, and or distribute them to the brand. Now you've got the whole rest of the month to do whatever it is you want to do, right? Because the deal is that every single brand has got to put content out there, whether it is organic content or it's going to be paid ads. Someone has to still create content and show up. And instead of the brand having to hire models or try to get people in the company to create when they don't want to create, you could create content as a UGC content creator and they're paying you a monthly fee, and you can have multiple brands using your likeness, and you're letting them know that there's no exclusivity among brands, except that if you're doing this software, you won't create content as a competitor, but you may do a phone, you may do a makeup bag, you may do a microphone. That they're all different industries, but you're still able to show up in different ads, okay? And then the fifth thing you can do in order to quit your job in 2025 is you could become a social media manager, right? Because here's the deal. Most companies, they don't want to show up on video, but they have the things that they want to be put out there, right? You can learn how to work with a company as a freelancer, okay? How to create the content that they want you to create, how to distribute, how to engage with the content, and then you make money from home, okay? Because here's the deal. Most companies don't know what they're doing. You can actually really learn how to be a really good social media manager and say, I focus 100% on Facebook and TikTok. That's all that I do. And now you don't have to learn platforms you don't want to learn, or you can if you want to, and you just learn all the ins and outs of that platform, and you help that brand or those different brands market their messages and grow and get the results that they want, whether it's engagement, it's followers, it's sales, it's opt-ins, whatever the brand wants. And then that's what you're doing. So you don't ever have to clock in to another job. You just create your own as a freelancer and be a social media manager. So there are lots of different things you can do this year. If you want to be able to quit your job in 2025, you can do all 5 of these if you want to, or you can just do one or a few. And I guarantee you, if you start right now and you are consistent, you will definitely be able to do this. Now, if you're someone and you're saying, hey, I want to grow on TikTok, I want to grow on Instagram so I can do all these things, then I want to have you join our 3-day Instagram Reels and TikTok challenge. It actually starts today, where I'm going to be teaching you how to strategically use Instagram and TikTok to grow a community and sell products and services. It's absolutely free. Just go to the link in the description and you can join us, and I can help you to be able to quit your job in 2025. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. That way, next time we have a video come up, you automatically get it. So thank you so much for being here, and I cannot wait to share with you in the next video.